Third gear. I always say third gear is the best, so let's listen to it. That's too loud, bro.
That's so loud.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the video. Today we're going freaking Callus. I'm hyped. Here's my favorite street, and here's one more pull with the back windows completely down, side windows a little bit, just to give you a reference. Oh my gosh. Yeah, dude, this Callus, I have no clue what to expect still, but dude, I already know this Callus is gonna be crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, I hope Callus is like crazy. And I know for a fact it is, so I'm hyped. Third gear is where it's like the craziest. Oh my gosh. This neighborhood also sounds kind of crazy. Third gear. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm hyped. Alright, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry, it's cringe, but dude, we're finally going Callus. Today's the day we're gonna go Callus. It's about time. Basically, we're gonna start with one. I don't know what to expect because I know it's wiring this time. It's not just the pipe, so it's gonna be a whole bunch of mess around. But if you guys have been enjoying the content, 50% of you are not subscribed, so make sure you subscribe right now if you're new. If you guys want to see more content like this, make sure you guys like the video. But pretty much, these are pipes. So show the pipes real quick. But pretty much, this is one of the pipes, completely straight, bro. And that's where the freaking what is that, O2 sensor goes. So I have some adapters, dude. I'm hyped. I hope this goes just as planned. It's not gonna be like weird or anything, or like just like the exhaust. There's always some headache. So it seems simple. So hopefully it is. You know what I mean? Going on the ramps was so nice. Looks so sketch.
I feel like the bolts are really hard to get out though. I did on a Z once. So, what color are you gonna get the M5 in?
I want to get blue, dark blue.
You know? Yeah, but like, if you were to just race in straight line, or even the highway, like...
The thing's that M5 is still, it's just lighter. M5 has 600 horsepower. This is the setup we got right now. Pretty much, this is all the room gonna do. And all the room gonna have. Pretty straightforward. We have these two bolts. I'm gonna go fish high for a sec, hold up. I have these two bolts I need to take out, 1 and 2, and then the cat. Oh, dude, it's so scary. Oh, there it is. There's the O2 sensor I need to take out. That's in a horrible location. So everything looks pretty straightforward, and I should be able to disconnect that wire. Oh yeah, I can disconnect it right there. There's a little thing it plugs into over there. So pretty straightforward, shouldn't be too hard. Same thing over here. Actually, this one's actually easier to access, so this one's gonna be easy money. So we'll see right now. Pretty straightforward, but it's always like that in the beginning. I'm gonna take out the first bolt. It's actually not that bad. The one that's gonna suck is the one that's inside of there. It's hot still, dude. Are you putting it on my chest?
My hands are getting tired, bro.
Bro, lazy, bro. Freaking got it.
You got it? Move.
What?
Oh, okay, I was trying to get the cat.
Oh. Let me take this freaking crap out so I can see. Oh my freaking goodness.
It's just huge, bro.
Oh, this crap was annoying, dude. The issue is the freaking wires you gotta take out, dude. So annoying. Oh my gosh, is it fatter? Is it fatter? Oh my gosh, it's fatter.
Would it fit though? That's the real question.
So,
and it's shorter too, fool. You want to start it up to see how it sounds?
Right now? No. It's gonna sound like butt cheeks, dude.
It's gonna be the loudest you'll get.
Okay, I think this is the right one. Before I get too excited, the bolts are a little bit different on this Hellcat than the other Hellcats I've seen. So my goal right now, my focus is to just try to get this first one in before I get too excited. So let's see. So I just put the new pipe in. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, that was really hard. Pretty much I put the 2 screws in, I put my adapter for the O2 sensor, which is right here. I put the adapter on, and then on top of that, that's my actual O2 sensor. Then there's 3 freaking adapters here. One's from my cat bag, 2's from my cat bag, and then the other one's from the cats itself that came with the kit. So I'm gonna turn on the car right now and see how it sounds. I'm not fully done tying this in. I just kind of want to just do a quick test before. So I'll be honest with you guys, this is a freaking struggle. I would not, honestly, dude, I would not recommend doing this. Here's the old cat. Parm, you ready to hear? Oh, I'll be honest with you guys, it's a freaking struggle, man. Just finished the first pipe, and it's been like, doing it the first time is always the hardest part, man.
Was that in the video?
Yeah, right now. You want to test it?
Yeah, I'll record.
You ready?
Oh, okay.
You want to record my reaction?
Yeah, let me record it.
All right.
Oh my god, bro.
You can hear that.
That wasn't that loud, huh? It wasn't. It kind of got in though. Can you do it again?
That one's intense.
Can you do it again?
All right, so we just did a cold start. It's kind of hard to tell the difference between like each pipe, but you can hear a difference. I'm gonna do it one more time.
Bro,
So aggressive.
it's crazy because like you can smell the gas now.
It sounds sexy, dude. I think before it messed up.
Low-key sounds like it's cam.
I know it sounds camp.
Yeah. Wait, close it? Yeah. Oh my god, it makes a difference
It's still
now.
loud, but
No, but it makes a difference now. Before it honestly didn't make a
oh shit.
drive it though.
Even with one cat, it still sounds so good.
Imagine the other one coming out.
Why does it sound camp?
Bro, that's so loud. You're gonna get pulled over. That's still loud.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. Now we're doing the same cat right now. Okay, how does it look? Hey, does it look good?
Looks fire. Hold on. Hold it. There you go. Okay, that's good.
You're making a video, right?
Yeah.
I'm doing the second cat, and I'm taking out the inside bowl, which is like the hardest one out of all these. So I'm gonna focus on the inside one, which is the most annoying one. There we go. This is the first. I recommend doing the inside one first.
It's the hardest.
It's the hardest one, and once you get it out of the way, everything else kind of becomes easy. Thank you, bro, for helping me out, for real.
It's usually like 150 or
There we go. There's one. Oh, these are actually easier. Oh, frick. Dude, someone messed with these cats.
Why? They're like
100%. Here, let me make a video of this. So here's the cats. So the hard part is there's that thing up here. Let me try to point at it. That red thing, right now it's hard to unclip. But pretty much once you unclip that, it can disconnect. Let me try to get a better angle. Once you unclip that, you can disconnect it, and then this comes off. Me seeing it twisted kind of makes me feel like they already did it. But I'm already assuming that this was already modified. I don't know. Oh, shit.
What happened?
It's tight.
DLW?
Fudge, man. I should be able to do it, though. Hold on. There we go.
Just gotta smack it.
Plug the O2 sensor. I'm going to take out the bolts that hold down the pipe now. There's only 2 left. I left the last two easy ones. Pipe's not hot. This is a struggle, guys. I'm gonna be honest. This is definitely not comfortable, especially after a long day of work. This sucks for sure, but once it's done, hopefully I don't have to put anything back on. Ouch. Oh. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's out. The whole cat? Yeah. Oh, really? Yeah. Woo, dude, it's almost done. Ow, fudge. Ah.
Yeah, but he has valves.
The pop-up here.
Whose car is it?
Carve. Oh, never mind.
This video.
So I just put the adapter for my cats so that I don't get an O2 sensor alarm. Now that I'm done with the O2 sensor, I'm gonna start tightening everything in. Tying in the inside bolt is a lot easier with the catless since the cats are not in the way. Can you believe it, Parm? I finished.
Bro, that was fast and 30 minutes.
I know. I'm gonna tie in the ones that connect to the cat back. I'm gonna tie in those in now. Both cats are installed now. Catless. Oh, I need to start from the inside because I start 20 times.
Is it closed or not? It's closed, huh?
Open.
Oh my.
I got a little. It's so much louder.
It's so much
Give my
loud.
face. It's still loud though. It's still loud.
Wait, open it and rev a little.
Oh.
That is
That
beyond.
was only 2K.
Now do it when it's closed.
2.5K.
I feel it's still gonna be like, oh my god, bro. Actually sounds good.
It's not as bad. It's not as bad. Okay,
I like how it sounds like.
Want to go on a quick ride?
Yeah.
Okay, dude, when it's closed, okay, you guys, it's recording?
Is it open?
My
Yeah.
face is in it, right?
Yeah. Dude, that is so
That is too
loud.
Oh my gosh, I'm not even pushing you right now. Shit, dude.
You got downshifted.
Shit, I know, but I'm like so scared of cops right now.
Hoping we catch up to them.
Where are they?
They went to the. I think they went to the. Oh, they're right there.
Oh my god.
Downshift.
Oh my gosh. That makes sense, no cops, bro. That's the only thing I'm looking out for. Dude, it sounds crazy. I'm actually scared though. It's too loud. Second gear. Oh my god. What the fudge? Third gear. I always say third gear is the best, so let's listen to it. That's too
So
loud, bro.
That's so loud.
That's too loud. Okay, now it's closed. I'm gonna close it right now. Third gear push. It's closed. It's closed.
Is it closed?
It definitely stops it.
It stops there.
It stops
like,
it. Like,
that scream at the end.
Dude, it like instead of it echoing all across this freaking neighborhood, it's actually like nice. Oh yeah, it kills it. Now it's back open. Shit, man.
It's so loud.
Oh fudge. Oh crap. We need just some outside pulls. Right here, where Valencia is doing, right?
Right here.
Shit. Man. Oh my gosh.
Bro, it never gets old. Dude, it never.
Oh my gosh.
Is he gonna come?
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be so scared of freaking cops now. Dude, it's too loud.
It's actually obnoxious loud. Oh, I hear the beep.
Yeah, but it's not cops, not cop. Fuck, dude, it's too. I don't know how long I'm gonna do this for. I might have to go back, honestly.
Just do quick.
I'm gonna do one time pass and a second time, okay? You recording?
Yeah. Shit, bro, that thing is so loud. I'm scared if the cops come after me right now. I was scared if cops come after me. Open up.
Go. I know.
Bro, you slid.
I know, I did on purpose. Alright, last pull. Open the back windows, that's where it sounds crazy. Oh my god. Yo, what the fuck? Fourth gear.
Ready?
Okay, I'm gonna do a third gear now. Second gear. Oh my gosh.
Bro, you have to. It's dude, it's so loud.
That is scary. Oh my gosh. POVs are gonna be another level, dude. I'm gonna barely be driving this car right now, dude. Yo, I love how there's just no cops right now. This is literally perfect.
It's
Man,
so
hey,
loud.
If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like right now. Make sure you guys subscribe if you want to see more. But man, we finally did it. We are finally catalyst, boys. It is freaking crazy. It's honestly scary, bro. Oh, crap. Boys, we are officially catalyst. And oh my freaking goodness, dude. The pops are back. The pops are finally back. Check this out. I'm gonna try and make a pop. Oh my gosh, it's ridiculously loud. It's kind of hard to make a pop. There we go. I need to get that valve off, and I think it'll pop a lot more. But dude, it is crazy freaking loud. Like crazy freaking loud. I'm gonna go onto this bridge, and I don't think there's a cop anywhere. I gotta be way more careful now, dude, especially that I'm catalyst. Oh snap. Oh, dude, he screams like a freaking lion, dude. Oh my gosh, it is, dude, it echoes like freaking crazy. But pretty much, yeah, it pops a lot more. It sounds a lot crazier. I'm hyped. All right, you ready for this? Way louder. Way louder than before.
What the heck? It's another level.
You should hear it when I gas it, dude. It's
I can't
bad.
imagine. Under a tunnel. Let's see this tunnel right here.
You don't need a tunnel, dude.
All the cops are gonna hear you.
Dude, you don't need a
sound.
tunnel. You can hear it from just driving normally.